So here it is our data for the problem. The plan and elevation of line AB 80 mm long measures 70 mm and 60 mm respectively. Endpoint A is in horizontal plane and 10 mm in front of vertical plane. Draw the projection of line AB and determine its inclination with horizontal plane as well as vertical plane. To solve this problem, first of all make a data table and mention the available data in it as shown. Now, draw a horizontal line XY and locate point A' and A as per the given data. With the help of ruler scale, draw path of A and path of A' parallel to line XY from point A and from point A' respectively. As we know that elevation length gives true length in horizontal plane, similarly plan length gives true length in vertical plane. So in the data we have elevation length as well as plan length. So on the path of A', mark point 1' 60 mm away from point A'. Similarly, on path of A, mark point 1 at a distance of 70 mm from point A. With the help of ruler scale, from point 1', draw a vertical line towards the downward direction of any dimension. Similarly, from point 1, draw a vertical line towards the upward direction. With the help of compass, take 80 mm distance as a radius and point A' as a center. Draw an arc on vertical line passing through point 1 and locate point B'. Now, join point A' and B', which is true length of line AB in vertical plane. With the help of compass, take 80 mm distance as a radius and point A as a center. Draw an arc on vertical line passing through 1' to locate point B. Now, join point A and B, which is true length of line AB in horizontal plane. With the help of ruler scale, draw path of B' and path of B parallel to line XY from point B' and point B respectively. With the help of compass, take distance A'(1' as a radius and point A' as a center. Draw an arc from point 1' to path of B' and locate point B1' as shown. Now, join point A' and B1', which is elevation length of given line AB. With the help of compass, take distance A1 as a radius and point A as a center. Draw an arc from point 1 to path of B and locate point B1. Now, join point A and B1, which is plan length of given line AB as shown. With the help of protractor, measure the value of angle theta between true length in vertical plane and line XY, which will come 29 degree. Also, mention the value of angle theta in data table as shown. Now, measure the angle alpha between elevation length and line XY, which will come 40 degree. Also, mention the value of angle alpha in data table as shown. Measure the angle phi between true length in horizontal plane and line XY, which will come 41 degree. Also, mention it in data table as shown. Now, measure the angle beta between plan length and line XY, which will come 49 degree. Also, mention it in data table as shown. With the help of roller scale, draw a vertical line passing through point B1 dash and B1. Now, measure the horizontal distance between line A and B1 which will come 46 millimeters. This distance is known as end projector distance. Also, mention it in data table as shown. I hope you understood it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box.